Hey guys, today's video is a very special one for the upcoming love holiday. I'm glad you decided to tune in. I created this project to go on my dining room table. If you saw my last clean with me video, you saw 3 clear vases right down the middle, but I'm going to change all of that today and hopefully be able to use those vases beyond the day. I went to 2 Dollartrees in my town and I picked up about 20 something odd sets of these 3-pack velvet roses. I'm going to be making 3 sets of what you'll see me making here to, complete the look that I want on my table.
Nothing you say makes it better. Wreck and fall, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you. You're not by yourself. Late o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wreck and fall, tear apart, issues left behind. Nothing you say makes it better.
So you'll see here that I'm finishing up, filling in the holes and any gaps. It doesn't have to be perfect, I promise you it doesn't. It's temporary, it's just something cute for the holidays. I want to go ahead and fluff these things out, get ready to prep them and have them all cute. And I'm going to head on outside to spray paint these vases black. Y'all, these were clear, but my camera wasn't recording when I started to spray. For some reason I thought I had pushed play or record and I didn't. And I'm spraying it with this satin black but what is that, Krylon? Yeah, all-in-one paint primer. They look so good. A little bit of water got on one of them because it's a little wet outside and a little bit windy, but they're gonna look so good with those roses. And I'm gonna use these throughout the year because my house is black, gray, white, very neutral. So I'll just put some white ones in there after I'm done with the red ones. No, don't look like much now, but they'll look cute. So right here you're seeing me put on that second coat, just kind of really making these things look very rich and black and just juicy. And they're gonna look really good with these red roses that I have. And I'm gonna go ahead and plop them on the table and finish up this centerpiece, guys. That's it. I told you it'd be quick and easy. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you really love what you saw and you want to enjoy more of this content, hit that thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for tuning in for this video. I really appreciate you, and I will see you in the next one. You guys have a happy Valentine's Day. Goodbye.